Alright, Mr. Baker here again, showing you how to create a website using Google Sites, and showed you what the Google template looked like on the first video. And on the second video, I'm going to show you how to just create a blank website from scratch. And by the way, if there's any teachers out there using this video to learn how to build a website, if you're interested in creating a template for your class to use, like you see under these options right here, if you're interested in creating one of those for your own class and you're not sure how to do that, just shoot me an email. I'll show you how to do that. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you how to create just a brand new blank website. So after we clicked on create, it asks us select the template you want to use. We want to just create a brand new blank template here. So I'm going to select that, and then down here it's going to ask you to name it. Now, notice it's going to give you the URL, and whatever you type in under name your site, it'll put that over here. And so I'm just going to say, call this one student example here if it lets me. And another option you have down here at the bottom is it lets you select a theme. So if I go down here, what I can do is I can scroll down, and it gives me a bunch of different themes, which, by the way, you can come back and change these at a later time. So let's just say I want this Ember theme here. So once I select that Ember theme, I'm just going to leave it at that for right now. So I've clicked on blank template, I've named it, and I've picked out a theme. Now I just come up here and click on create. And now it's going to take a minute to create my site. And once it creates my site, I am looking at this right here. Now, this part cannot be changed because I just named it that. So that's going to be your URL. And then you see your home page here. Now, basically what you can do is you can either edit this page at any time, or you can add a new page. And there's another option here that gives me more options. And if I click on that, you see a number of different things here, including down here underneath Manage Site. Maybe you don't like that theme that you picked. If you come right down here and click on Themes, Colors, and Fonts, here's that Ember theme I picked out. I could change it to a different theme if I wanted to, and it'll show me what it looks like down here too, which is kind of cool to see what it looks like before you actually select it. So that's how you do that. And then once you find one you like, you just simply click on the Save button, and it will take you right back to your website here. This says changes. Your changes have been saved, so I've saved it. And then to get back to my site, I just click right back here on Student Example, and it'll take me back to my website. Now what I'm doing is I'm ready to start editing this page here. So what I'm doing, I'm going to come up here to this Edit Page button, and it's going to load up the editor. And once it loads up the editor, here I can start typing in whatever I want it to say. Here's all my different font style changes, things I can make, my alignment, bullets, different things like that. And then up here underneath Insert, there's a number of options that I'll show some videos for: how to insert image, how to get gadgets if you want gadgets on there, how to insert a link to other websites that you can do there. Underneath this Format, gives me some different options there as well. If I want to insert a table, I can insert a table within my website and select how many columns and rows I want to be on that particular table. And finally, under Layout, this is kind of one I use a lot when I created my 6th grade website. So it gives you different options to set up your website page different ways. So if I change it to that 2-column option, you can see now I have an area here, there, and there where I can put information in depending on what I want for my particular layout. And I can even go 3 columns. Now you can see there's multiple different columns to put information in. So that is how you basically design your website. The key is every time you make a change to something now, and by the way, this top one won't let you, I don't think it'll let you change it, because actually it did let me change it. Sometimes it doesn't let you change it, but anytime you make a change anywhere to this particular page, you just want to come right up here and click on Save Page. So it's going to save that. In the next video, I'll show you how to create another page.